Come fly with me, let's fly away.
Captain Amir.
Guys, don't be afraid because I'm a professional pilot and I'm going to take you on a safe journey with me. Safe journey? I hope so, safe journey. Let's explore it together in this episode of Amir Prince Reviews. Hi, how are you?
Alright,
So you will be our captain today?
I will be your
You're
captain.
leading us? Okay.
You'll be the captain of the How about it? Should we start right away? So you guys take videos.
Usually for this flight, to enjoy it more, 15 minutes, 30-minute session or 1 hour session, what is the better duration to experience this amazing adventure?
It depends on what do you want to experience. So with guys who already come and have a plan, someone would like ask us, I want to do this and this and that, we can always recommend the direct time.
Okay.
30 minutes you can either do like 2 flights, maybe we can try 2 different cities, we can try different weather conditions,
Okay.
different scenarios.
So you think like more duration is more fun?
Absolutely, because you can try different things.
So we are ready. Let's see. We are going to fly now. You're with me at this flight. Hi, Captain.
Sorry, Captain.
Great. So I'll be here.
This setup works. Alright, Captain Amir, what do you know about aviation? Tell me.
Actually, I don't know anything about aviation.
Okay.
I just fly. That's it.
Alright.
You know, we are experiencing this for the first time. So, like, I always wonder how these big flights fly in the air. Okay. And one more question in my mind always, like in the air, because for example, we go on the road, so we know how we go. But in the air, how you know to go to the destination? Or it's always a question mark.
Okay.
Yes.
We'll have a flying session. Hopefully it will answer your question.
Inshallah.
Okay. What I want you to do, I want you to start by adjusting the seat. Can you see that lever, Captain?
Yes.
Bring the lever up.
Okay.
Your seat towards me first.
Oh.
Forward.
Yeah. Wow.
Bring it forward. Maybe a little more. And that's it.
Yes, I think.
Okay. Are you okay with the height of the chair, or would you like to adjust it?
I think I'm fine.
Okay. Let me brief you about the controls in this airplane.
Okay.
If there is any specific city you want to try to fly from,
I think Dubai is the beautiful city. Maybe from Dubai to Canada?
you can do that. I suggest you do one full flight over Dubai.
Okay. That will be great, of course.
Alright. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the pedals down there. We have
Okay.
2 pedals.
Oh yeah, I can see them.
Okay?
Yes.
Those pedals there will control the rudder of the airplane.
Okay.
What I want you to do, I want you to use them on the ground during the takeoff and the landing. If you want to go right on the ground, press the pedal. If you want to go left on the ground, press the left pedal.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
Once we are in the air, do not use the pedals. I want you to start using your hands. If you want to go up towards you. If you want to go down, push it away from you.
Okay. Like this.
Perfect. Turn it left if you want to turn to the left, and turn it right if you want to turn to the right. So in the air, this is your main control.
Okay.
This is what you're going to be controlling the aircraft with. We have 2 thrust levers over here. Both of them will control the power coming out from the engines. To increase the power, move them forward. Okay. To decrease the power, move them backward. Okay. During the flight, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put my hand in this way because I'm going to ask you to reduce the power. So I'm going to put it to a certain limit over here. I just want you to bring them back to where my fingers set.
Okay.
So we know where to decrease the power to.
Okay.
Okay. Spoke about the thrust lever. We have the landing gear over here. The landing gear is the basically it's the lever that controls the wheels of the airplane. So after takeoff, we have to put the wheels inside the belly of the aircraft to do so. I want you to pull it out first. Set it to up position. That will retract the landing gear. Put them inside. Pull it out. Set it to down position. That will deploy and extend the landing gear. Okay. Last but not least, we have the flaps. The flaps is a surface that come down from the wing that increase the lift force at low airspeed. We're going to use them for both takeoff and landing. We're going to use flaps 5 for the takeoff, flaps 30 for the landing. Okay? It's very easy. Okay, just want you to sit, relax, enjoy. I'll keep instructing you throughout the area, so if you have a lot of questions, that's very normal. And enjoy the flight, okay? What we're going to start doing, we're going to start preparing the aircraft for departure. Okay, a couple of things to do. Let's start by first setting flaps to number 5.
Okay, so I will set it now to 5.
The video I'll start it right now. Okay, auto brakes to RTO.
This one.
Now turn this up to the left, RTO.
Oh, yeah.
Very good. All those lights on. Okay, those 3 lights on. And those 2 on. Okay, now I want you to press this button and you can talk to the people and tell them it's your technical speaking.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Hi viewer, this is your Captain Amir. Please watch the video till end. We are going to show you something amazing. So let's explore it together.
Alright, now I want you to release the parking brake anthem.
So how do I do that? Just
Forward.
oh, great.
Okay. Takeoff is very easy. What I want you to do is set full power. Keep the aircraft on the runway using your feet.
Okay.
When I ask you to rotate, just set the foot back.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Rotate starts now. Right feet. Very good. Great job, man. Right feet releasing. Bring the airplane up. Now we'll not use our feet anymore. At the same time, I want you to put the landing gear up, pull and put it up. Alrighty. Now start to push the airplane a little bit down, Captain Amir. Just a little bit. Okay, let's start. Just the power is tiny bit, Captain Amir. Very good. Flaps up.
Now this one.
Yeah, all the way. Very good. And let's start turning to the left towards Burj Khalifa. Can you see the Burj to your left side?
Yeah.
Let's turn left towards the Burj.
Down.
And lift the right. Reduce the power a little bit more, Captain here. That's it. Very good.
I feel like I stuck in the air.
A little bit to the left. Just a little bit. And now keep it in the center. Great job.
Oh, whoa, guys, we are at the Burj Khalifa.
Okay, now let's do something. I want you to turn it full left. Full quickly.
Woo!
Alright. Let's start turning to the right. Towards Burj Al Arab. Let's start that now. Slowly, Captain Amir. are doing right now is called visual flying. Visual flying, you use landmarks that exist on the ground to navigate, to make up your route. So let's say we flew from Burj Khalifa to Burj Al Arab to Palm Jumeirah. In another country you can fly, let's say, from this valley to this lake, and then across this river, and then to next to this mountain.
Okay.
So, but actually this is not really used because you require always to stay at low level.
Yeah.
You cannot go to a high altitude, you're always required to have good weather. Now what we're going to do, we're going to try something called instrument flying. Instrument flying is basically flying, you're laying on those instruments here in front of you. So if we start by this number over here, this is your altitude.
Okay.
How high you are above the sea level. The blue is the sky, the brown is the ground. Okay? What I want you to do, and this is like a compass, we'll use the direction of this compass. First, look outside, make sure the plane is level, and what we're going to practice to do together is I want you to do a full flight using the instruments. So, first thing, let's go to 3,000 feet in terms of altitude. Once you're close to 3,000 feet, start to drop it down. Drop it down more. And at the same time, I want you to follow this pink line over here.
Which one?
Over here. So, all you have to do is maintain this line, this direction, and this altitude. Can you do that, Captain?
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Great job. Now you're about to reach your heading. Start turning in the opposite direction. Start.
25. Terrain brake. Hold up. Terrain. Sync brake. Hold up.
A little bit down, Captain. Down. Remember, we want to maintain 3,000 feet, okay?
Okay.
A little bit to the right, maintain this direction. Okay? And while you are going back to 3,000 feet, let's start turning to the right direction, 030.
So I will again come to the
Yes, please.
point.
This is how actually you fly those airplanes. How you can
Angle.
navigate
Point
through
far
your routes. Watch out. Left hand up.
Terrain.
Woo!
Hold up. Flaps. Terrain.
Let's continue. Push down just a little bit.
Down.
Yeah. Very good. Now a little bit to the left. You are around 3,000. Start pushing down a little bit more. Great job. That's it. Up a little bit. That's it. Great. A little bit up. Right now, push it down slightly.
Left.
Bank angle.
Very good. We're just trying to maintain the direction. It seems not very easy. There's something called waypoints and navigation aids in terms of VOR, and actually this is how you build your route. So like if I press here, I zoom in and then you see there's a lot of them, right?
Okay.
So I build my route, let's say from this point to this point to this point to this point to this point and so on.
Okay.
This is how you find your route.
Oh.
Also, the same thing, there's something called navigation stations. So the navigation station you can also tune to reach out to them. They'll give you direction and navigational information. So you build your route based on those like things combined.
Okay.
And you do the flying. Now what I want you to do, can you see there is a little island over there?
Yes.
Can we go towards that island, Captain Amir? Okay, you see, and this now going towards this island, and this is visual flying. We choose landmarks and we fly towards them.
Oh.
But what we're doing, Captain, we are returning back to Dubai International Airport. But I want you to quickly return back to the island.
The small island
Yes,
over
the
there.
small island. Okay, and Dubai International Airport, there's two runways, one on the left side and one on the right side.
Okay.
Okay, we'll be landing on the right side runway. We'll do some preparation before the landing. Can you please set the auto brakes to number 3? And speed the brakes, pull it up and put it to armed. Out, up. That's it. Here, you see the indicator to armed. Perfect. Let's add some power. Right. Very good. Now, for the approach, we're going to do a visual approach in Dubai Airport. Remember, we're landing on the right runway.
Okay.
Left is left, right is right. And if I ask you to bring it back to center, the center position of
Yeah.
the control tower, okay? A little bit to the left and center. Very good. I don't know, you can, I don't know if you can see
Yeah.
or not yet. The airport will be over there.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll keep going straight until we see, then we'll do the right turn.
Okay.
Okay? You can ask your cabin crew to be prepared for landing. This button over here if you want.
Ah, this one.
Yep.
Hi viewers, get ready for a safe landing.
Alright. Left. Let's start to do a really nice and shallow right turn. That's it. Great job. I want to set flash number 1. Push the airplane a little bit down and reduce the power a tiny bit. That's it, that's it, that's it.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. A little bit to the left. Can you see the lights over there?
Yes.
That's our runways.
Oh. Guys, get ready. We are almost near the runway.
Okay, so we're landing here. Gosh, we'll get to Amir.
2500.
Start to drop it in slowly. Add some power.
Synchronization. Full power.
Okay, to the back. Close safety.
Synchronization. Full power.
A little bit to the left.
Then those pilots may be like new graduated, new pilots or...
It depends. Some of them are newly graduated and some of them have experience, but they are preparing for an exam or test.
Ah,
Come to make sure that they're good before
okay, great.
1000.
great approach, man. Left.
Oh,
And I was put the reverse cam up. Those two backwards. Great job. Great.
I wonder how these guys are flying this big.
Very good. Now I want you to reduce the power, close it first. Close it down. Let's put the parking brake on. That's your Captain Amir. Auto brakes off. Slide off. Very
It was a great flight. Finally. Finally.
Congratulations on your first flight.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Guys, I had a very good teacher. He did not get angry at me at any moment because I know I have done a lot of mistakes, but it was a really great experience. Thank you so much, Captain. Thank you so much. And see you soon again, inshallah.
Thank you very much. Hope to see you again.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. See you guys. Please like and subscribe.
My certificate, guys. Now I am a real pilot. Wow, guys, this was my first flight. I hope you guys enjoyed this flight with me because I have enjoyed it a lot, and finally we landed safely. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know by writing in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I see you all in the next adventure of Amir Princely Views.